What's up guys, Major here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how you can buy songs in Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninjas whatever stone on PSP. So what you're gonna do is just go to the Ultimate Road and then you choose press block to go to the chapters, then you choose Kazekage Rescue, and then you come here, you can see, then you can buy songs. If you just want to buy a song, you can just click here and then press yes, and then you buy it, and then you can see I've already bought these songs. So I bought some songs. So if you go to, if I go back here, then I'll go to music list. I'm going to come to gallery. Then I'll go to music, and you can see if I play this, you can hear it's playing. So you can press circle, yeah, stop. You can see most of the songs. Sorry about that. So these are the songs I have at the moment. I plan on buying more. If you like this video, give it a very big thumbs up, and like this video, subscribe to see more videos in the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Major out. Love you guys.